Welcome to Everyday Experiments.
We're going to create some classic moments from our favorite movie genres.
All we need is an idea and a few things from around the house.
And our new iPhone 13.
Oh, sorry.
Don't be afraid to move with the camera. The phone does a great job of stabilizing the image.
That looks great. If you shoot in 4K 60, you can make your footage look even more dramatic by putting it into iMovie and slowing it down by a third.
While you're in there, try putting on the Blockbuster filter. It'll make it look even more cinematic.